Determine the sum of the series whose nth term is given by 2n squared minus 3n plus 5. So here we have a series. We'll suppose that let Tn represent the nth term of the series. And it's given that this nth term is represented by 2n squared minus 3n plus 5. Now our goal will be to find out the sum to n terms of the series. So if Sn represent the sum up to n term, then we can simply represent sum as the summation of the nth term. However, what we'll do, we'll change the index from n to k, where k runs from 1 to n. That means we have to find out the summation of 2k squared minus 3k plus 5. So here we have k going from 1 to n. Okay, so let's try to find out the value of this summation. So we'll first take 2 out of the summation because 2 is a constant. So we get 2 times summation k squared. So here k goes from 1 to n minus 3 times the summation of k, where k goes from 1 to n, added to 5 times the summation of 1 with k running from 1 to n. Now we have standard formulas for obtaining summation of k squared, where k goes from 1 to n. So this is given by n times n plus 1 multiplied to 2n plus 1 whole divided by 6. And then we have summation of k. Again, k goes from 1 to n. Then the summation is given by n times n plus 1 divided by 2. So let's use these values. So we get 2 multiplied to n times n plus 1 multiplied to 2n plus 1 whole divided by 6 minus we have 3 times n plus 1 divided by 2 added to 5. Now here summation of 1 means we have 1 plus 1 plus 1, and this gets added to n number of terms. Fine. Now we have, so 2 times 1 is 1, 2 times 3, that's 6. So this gives us n times n plus 1 multiplied to 2n plus 1 whole divided by 3 minus 3 times n plus 1 divided by 2 added to 5. Now 1 is getting added to itself n number of times, so this is simply 1 times n, or we get n. So we have 5n. Now we're going to add all of these terms. So here the common denominator will be 6. So we have 2 times n multiplied to n plus 1 multiplied to 2n plus 1 minus we have 9n multiplied to n plus 1 added to 30n. So let's further simplify. The further simplification now is going to give us 4n cubed minus 3n squared plus 23n whole divided by 6. This is the sum up to n terms.